Hello, Anya. Today's topic is kinds of sentences. So, what we are starting today? Kinds of sentences. So, in the class, we did interrogative sentences. So, here, what I am doing is I am telling you that there are 5 kinds of sentences. 5 kinds of sentences are there. Number 1, interrogative. Second is declarative. Third is exclamatory. Fourth is imperative. And the last one is negative. So, sentences which ask questions, those sentences are called interrogative sentences. And we have a question mark with it. So, look at this sentence. They have given us a word friend and they ask us make an interrogative sentence using friend. So you have written, are you my friend? This has become an interrogative sentence. The second sentence is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence means a sentence that gives us information, that states something, that tells us something. And declarative sentences have full stop at the end. So, using the word friend, write a sentence which is declarative. So, we have written declarative sentence using this word, you are my friend. This is declarative. Now, the third type of sentence is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence means we express strong emotion. So, these strong emotions can be used with the words like what, wow, how. So, these interjections tell that we are having a strong emotion. Alas, okay, these kinds of. And exclamatory sentence always has an exclamation mark after it. Okay. Now, using the word friend, make an exclamatory sentence. So, what we have made? How nice my friend is. As I told you, to make exclamatory sentence and to show our strong emotions, we use how, what, such kind of words. Then there is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those sentences which give order or when we make request. So these are called imperative. When we are commanding someone or when we are requesting someone, these are imperative. So using friend, we have made an imperative sentence. What is that sentence? Friend, kindly give me pen. So this is our kind of request to our friend. So it has become imperative. The next one or the last one is negative. As the name suggests, negative means using not or no in it. So, with the word friend, let us make a negative sentence. I will not go with my friend. Okay, so we have used not. So, whenever we use not or no, then it becomes a negative sentence. Both imperative and negative sentences, they also stop with, they also finish with the full stop. So, these are kinds of sentences. The kind of exercises which you will get is there is a sentence written like there is an interrogative sentence. Are you my friend? Then we will ask you convert this interrogative sentence into a declarative sentence. So you will convert it into declarative. You will make it you are my friend. It may be possible we give you a declarative sentence and then we ask you change it into exclamatory. then you will make it into exclamatory. Oh, how nice my friend is. Fine. In this way, we will do the exercises in the coming classes. Okay? Bye.